let's say you're making some mega moolah. Here's the mega moolah line, okay? Do you guys understand? Are we following the mega moolah line so far? Okay? And we're going to divide it into tax brackets, okay? Let's say this is 600,000, okay? And we have a tax bracket down here. We have a tax bracket here, and here, and here, and here, okay? And this tax bracket is 10%. This is all made up numbers, but I'm going to explain the concept to you. 15%, 20%, 25. I have a $2,000 Cintiq, and I'm still doing this with the mouse. And 30, okay? A tax bracket means that all the money above it gets taxed at this amount, okay? Now, let's say that each of these chunks represents $100,000, okay? So this chunk is 100,000, this chunk's 100,000, this chunk's 100,000, this chunk's 100,000, this chunk's 100,000, and this chunk is 100,000, okay? So the upper tax marginal bracket here is 30%. So you pay 30% on 600K, right? That's $180,000 for all of this. Wrong! It's marginal. Dumb fuck, okay? First, okay, you pay 0% on this bit down here, okay? 0. You pay $0 on this. You pay 10% of this 100,000, which is 10K. 15% on this 100,000, that's 15K. 20% on this 100,000, that's 20K. 25K on the next block, because it's 25%. And then $30,000 on the top 100%, which adds up to a grand total of 0, 10, 25, 45, 70, 100. $100,000 in taxes. Not 180,000, 100,000. Because you only pay the marginal amount on the bracket that you're in for that amount. Okay? So it's not... guys, have you ever heard that myth? That, like, a person doesn't want to make a little bit more money because it'll push them into another tax bracket? That is a complete myth. That is not how tax brackets work. That is not how that works, okay? If you get enough money to push you above that bracket, only the amount you made above that bracket is being taxed at that higher rate, okay? It's a complete myth, okay? It's not a thing that happens. Now, it is possible to have your income pushed up to a point where welfare benefits no longer kick in, and that can be a real issue. But just talking about taxes, it's not a thing, okay? Yeah, so that's how tax brackets work. See? Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here's a cute drawing that got 102,000 upvotes on Reddit. Yeah. People wrongly believe a 40% marginal tax means you'll pay a total of 40,000 pounds in tax, or euros or whatever. But if you earn, see, you only get taxed for the amount within the bracket, okay? That's how that works, okay? Yeah, so there you go. That's, yeah, now you know.